as you already know, I have tiny Microlocs. They are newly installed and I'm not supposed to be manipulating them or putting them in too many hairstyles to prevent unraveling and make sure they lock at the same time. But you know, there are times where you really want to change your look. And so today I've decided to change my look. Come along with me. Now, I'm really not trained in doing makeup, but I enjoy doing it, so I don't know my mistakes. You know, my biggest concern is not being able to fix my own eyebrows. Like, I've tried multiple times, it never works. So now I've decided not to do it anymore. You know, I actually have seen videos on how to do it, but I still can't. I'm all dressed up now. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this up with an elastic band. Is it a band or a cup? Plastic cup. Let's see how it goes. Close. So there you have it. It feels nice to change your look once in a while, you know, and I'm happy I did this. What do you think? How did I do? Let me know what you think in the comments. I think I'm okay. Good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm hoping that this doesn't get uncomfortable during the day, and I'll show you how it looks after I take off the wig cap. Let's see how the hair looks after that. Alright, so I'll see ya. Okay, so I've spent over 12 hours pushing or putting my hair underneath this wig. Okay, so let's see how it looks. I'm trying to see if the hair has straightened or looks stretched, or not. I actually don't want it to be straight, so I'm hoping it's not. So I'm going to take this wig off and see how it looks. Ouch, take the pin off. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's see. Ooh. I feel so relieved. Alright, so I'm trying to see if the texture of the hair has been maintained. Alright, it's not bad. If you look a bit stretched out, like this for example, because this wasn't this long when before I started, and obviously they're a bit shrunken. It's not bad. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and by the end of the day all these should revert back. So it's not bad. So the general rule is I shouldn't even be putting my hair in any style at all, but there are a few times I really want to change my look, so I had to do this. But it's not bad. I like the texture. It hasn't really changed. It's not bad. So generally it's been okay. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Share my video if you liked it, and let others also see. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.